Guys, so today I wanted to do a day in the life video of detail. I have this vehicle to clean up. I'm not sure what year this is, but yeah, it's a good looking SUV. The most complicated part of this one is always the wheels and tires and whatnot. They're always super filthy, but it always looks good after. So yeah, we're about to do this. It's not too bad inside, I think. It's never too bad. It's a maintenance, so it's never too bad. It's mainly just bad on the outside, but yeah. These wheels and tires, you can see they're very filthy. We're just going to be using some super clean and dilute it with water, bucket with soap, and we're going to hit these up. I'll show you guys the after. Dry, hit it with drying aid, in this case this tile. We just dry the whole thing, guys. See you back when it's done. Took the plastic carpets out. All we have to do is just some light vacuuming, and is that even a word? I don't know. And then wipe down in the windows and we're done. Okay, so now it's all done. I took about an hour and 30 minutes. Let me know around how long you think it would have taken you guys to properly clean an SUV like this. It's a fly on the window. On the inside, it was just vacuum and wipe down, so something simple. Carpet stained and whatnot, but it was just something simple, so. Vacuum and wipe down. Yeah, guys, tell me what you think. I'm about to get another one now. Yeah. So we got the other vehicle. We're putting it in the spot. And we're ready to go. Vehicle now. This is the same, basically. Exterior, interior. A simple wash and get it done. He said he hasn't used it since last time I cleaned it, but where he lives, he gets like a lot of dust and stuff, so it's not too dirty. It's just it's been sitting for like a couple of weeks or maybe even months, and yeah, it's good. With the other vehicle, this one took me about an hour 30. Taking it slow. It looks like it's about to rain though. So it is pouring already. So I called them They didn't answer. Yikes. Yikes, yikes, yikes. But yeah, guys, we did the same thing we did to the other vehicle to this one. It's looking good, man. What do you guys think? Hey, so we have another one today. This one is gonna be wash, wax, and clean interior. These tires, man, are filthy. Let's check out the interior. It's not too bad. And what we're gonna be using is this. Something a bit more simple. You could get this in AutoZone and whatnot. So it's about $30, and yeah, we're just gonna be using this kit for this today. So let's get it. It's clean. We're gonna start waxing, and then we're gonna do the plastic tire spray windows, and we're done. Alright guys, now for this wax, we're gonna do straight back and forth lines to apply. We're gonna do the recommended, which is usually 2x2, and just like this. Now when it's a white vehicle, honestly you can't see shit, so just be careful to not over apply. And this is how you do it, guys. You just gotta do the whole car. Now, after we let it sit for a while, we buff for a shine. And yeah, honestly, I'm not working in a, obviously, in a temperature controlled environment, so it gets fairly hot. I'm outside, but I must say it's pretty easy to wipe off, guys. I must say. Let me fold this properly. Just kind of hard doing it with one hand, but it's coming off pretty easily, guys. You know, I'm applying some force to it, slight, you know, nothing too crazy, and it's working out. after I remove this first tough layer, I'm gonna go with the microfiber towel again, but with the clean side, and buff out once more. And yeah, it's coming out pretty good, guys. So I'm all done. It always rains over here, so it looks like it's about to rain again. But yeah, I'm done waxing the vehicle, and it looks good. It looks good, y'all.